Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Health Thoughts. This is dietitian Anusha. Today we will be discussing about the most searched health drink, that is apple cider vinegar. Watch the video till end. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification on a new video. Let's get started. What exactly is apple cider vinegar? When yeast is added to apple juice, it turns the sugar in the juice to alcohol. This process is called as fermentation, and bacteria turns the alcohol into acetic acid. This is the reason for the sour taste and the strong smell of apple cider vinegar. You might have noticed the name Mother on ACV bottle. It is nothing but the cloud of the yeast and the bacteria you might see in the bottle of ACV. It makes it healthy and also act as probiotic. How much to take? If you are looking to use it for health reason, can have 1 tablespoon of ACV diluted in 200 ml of water. Ideally can take 20 minutes before any major meal. Initially start only with the teaspoon and gradually can make it up to a tablespoon as per the convenience. ACV is also used as a salad dressing and also as a marinade. Let us discuss some myths and facts of ACV. Is it really good for gut? Yes. Since it is full of probiotics, ACV is beneficial for gut health. As per the research studies, ACV has also been shown to have antiviral, anti-yeast and antifungal benefits, helps in maintaining good bacterial ratio in the gut and thus improves overall immune balance. Does ACV help in type 2 diabetes? Yes. In general, we observe a spike in blood glucose level after carb-heavy meal. Research studies explain that having ACV 20 minutes before meal actually helps in reducing the glycemic index of the food. Insulin resistance is also something which is commonly seen in diabetics and people diagnosed with PCOS. Consumption of ACV helps in improving the insulin sensitivity in the body. Does ACV really aids weight loss? Yes. In a study of obese Japanese adults, it was found that subjects who consumed ACV for 12 weeks experienced significant weight loss and also reduction in the abdominal fat, waist circumference and triglyceride levels compared to those who consumed a placebo. Mechanism behind this result is it works by suppressing the appetite. Acetic acid has also been shown to delay gastric emptying, makes you feel full for longer. In short, I can tell you, having only ACV cannot result in weight loss, but adding it to your weight loss diet can give you better results. Does it have any side effects? Yes. In general, consuming it as per the recommended dosage, that is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, is considered to be safe. However, consuming more than this limit is linked to few side effects like lower potassium levels in the body, which can cause muscle cramps. It is also recommended that you don't drink it straight as it is very acidic and can therefore harm your esophagus and possibly contribute to tooth and tooth enamel decay. Thank you for watching the video till the end.